I'm at the hospital. Then we're gonna go outside and have a cigarette. I don't think I'm gonna stay here. I feel like every single time that I try to, I don't know what I was just gonna say. I feel like every single time that I try to record a video, someone comes in with something, and like they've been pretty nice to me, so I guess I'm pretty lucky. I'm just scared. And I feel really isolated and alone. And I really just want a cigarette right now. And I don't know why I'm here. I don't know anything anymore. I don't know anything anymore. I'm chewing Nicorette gum since they won't let me have any cigarettes. And I look really shitty because I slept outside the other night. And actually slept outside for like a couple nights to go out of benzos. I wouldn't say I hate my life. Maybe there's something good, but all I keep hearing is that people aren't really who they say they are, or who they act like they are. Just saying some things behind my back. My hair is normally not this messy. It's just that I've had no time to straighten it since I've been out and about. And on the street just for a little while. Not for any particular reason, like I didn't have a place to stay. I just didn't want to stay there. So. Oh yeah, here's my bracelet. Yeah, I'm cool. Oh yeah, so this is my YouTube channel. This is my life. I guess you could say I'm mentally ill. I don't know, we could have some big philosophical conversation about it, but I'd really rather not. I'm too tired. I don't know. Men suck.